Thank you for joining us on our review of Maxim Aspen Yarn. Aspen yarn might be the perfect bulky roving yarn. The first thing you notice when you pick up a ball to give it your first squish is how unexpectedly soft each ball is. Many crafters avoid roving yarns for thinking that they have a tendency to shed or to split when being worked. However, this is where Aspen yarn is exceptional. The multiple color fibers are tightly wound, creating a yarn that is incredibly sturdy. You'll find that Aspen yarn proves to hold up to even the tightest knitter or crocheter and frogs easily while maintaining its integrity. Aspen has subtle and short color variegations and is available in the colors Skyline, Lodge, Hot Springs, Alpine, Meadow, and Fireside. Aspen yarn, when used in certain projects, may create a subtle striping color pattern with pops of color throughout your project. Maxim Aspen yarn is soft and fluffy with 100% acrylic fiber content. Makes it safe to machine wash and dry. Has the feel of a mixed fiber yarn, but the durability of acrylic fibers. Maxim Aspen contains 130 yards per 3.5 ounce ball of yarn, or about 119 meters per 100 gram ball of yarn. Maxim Aspen is firmly in the bulky weight, size 5 yarn category. You'll love knitting and crocheting with this yarn. Lodge, Meadow, Alpine, Hot Springs, Fireside, Skyline, Our next tutorial is the Basket Weave Cowl project. You can purchase it as a kit or just download our free pattern. You'll need size 11 knitting needles. You can see here in the colorway Meadow how a smaller project will create more striping, whereas a larger project might create more splashes of color. Thank you for joining us for our review of Maxim Aspen Yarn. Make sure to follow us on all of our social media profiles, and happy crafting!